Hello everybody. Well, today is a special day. I'm visiting Murrelektronik UK up in beautiful sunny Manchester. Yes, it really is sunny. I'm here today with Mr. Anderson Silva. Now, Anderson has before taken us through some of the Murrelektronik products. Anderson, 2026, what are you going to be offering customers?
Hello, welcome Andrew. It's a big pleasure to see you here.
Thank you.
So, as you can see here, we have one demo case that's possible to show our portfolio working together. So we can show our solution working together in an easy way. So here, for example, in this case, we can see in this part products to use inside of the control cabinet, power supply, smart circuit breakers, sockets, network switches, IP to I/O modules, and interfaces connecting the control cabinet with the field, and products to use directly in the field, especially our IP67 I/O module using IO-Link communication, and some IO-Link devices to control to see how the technology works and how we can support our customers using new technologies to improve productivity.
That looks good. Now, this looks very mobile. Are you able to actually take this to customers?
Exactly. This is the idea. So this is mobile and flexible, that I can change products, I can simulate applications, I can show in hands-on way to customers how to connect the IO-Link device, how to use our device, what's the best way to use the product. So this is the idea, to visit the customer, to show the solution working, and so hands-on.
That's excellent. So, are there things more that you're going to show us?
So in this case, the most interesting part is our I/O solution using IO-Link technology, because we have some IO-Link devices here, like the beacon, the power light, analog converters, and so we can see the products running in live. So, and we can see how easy it is to connect everything with using a plug-and-play solution. M12 connectors, so our I/O modules and push button, beacon, power light. So you can see here, it's easy to show all function in just one place, in just one case.
That's really impressive. Now, for 2026, is there something new?
Yes, good question, Andrew. So we have a new case, an amazing and interesting new case that I can show you. So Andrew, this is our new case, very interesting case, because using this, we can show to the customer how to simplify the connection between cameras and the controller. Yeah, so here is zero cabinet, as we can see. We don't need controller to connect to the camera, because the process is on the camera. In this case here, in the back part, we can see the power management. We are using two different power supplies to show our portfolio, but we can choose what the best one. We can help the customer to specify the correct power supply for it. The first one is our IP67 power supply, and this one is our new brand power supply, up to 3.75 amps. So in this part here, we have the camera. So how to simplify the connectivity? So normally the customer uses to use two connectors, data and power. So in this new brand product here called breakout block, we can connect the power into the camera, and using the same cable, we can connect the GPIOs. So we have the channels here for input, output, trigger, everything in just one block, everything plug and play. You don't need to create a junction box to collect the pins from the camera. Like here in this simple case, camera, power, and breakout block, we can send a trigger. If the camera cannot recognize the light, we can send one signal to the breakout block, and then we can send one output for one device, like this light here. We can see the color changing. So if you read the barcode, we can send another pin. We can use one output, input. We can set everything inside of the camera, and then we can connect everything in just one part. IP67 solution.
That's absolutely brilliant. Now, obviously, you mentioned earlier that this is transportable to the customer. I guess the same is true with this product?
Exactly. This is the idea. As you can see, it's not heavy. We can show the solution working in front of the customer. We can test different cameras, third-party cameras. We don't care which type of camera the customer is using, because everything is plug and play. You need just to understand the pins, and it's ready. Everything is ready to use.
Okay. Now, this is going to create a lot of questions. So, for our viewers, where should they go to find out more?
So we can find all of these products in our online shop. So, but if you have any question, if you need help to specify any products, let me know. You can contact me or send a message by email or call to me.
Absolutely brilliant. Anderson, thank you so much for the explanation.
Yeah.
So if you're watching this and you'd like to find out more, because there is definitely more to find out, don't forget to check the link below. The Murrelektronik shop is absolutely comprehensive and well worth visiting. But of course, you're going to have questions. Why not talk to Anderson and the team here at Murrelektronik? Thank you so much for watching. We look forward to seeing you on the next video.